Hey Android users, Steve here from OTR Performance, and we have a number of updates for your OTR Diagnostics. So let's get you up to speed. First up is our command flow update. We have overhauled the info page, warning page, and key on and off page for all engines covered, bringing more clarity to commands you need to send. We basically mowed a clear path for you. Next up, we've introduced a pairing prompt to streamline the connection process, making it easier than ever to get started if you've already paired. It's the little things that keep us sane, right? On to after treatment, we now made it available to get DPF soot across all engines. Next up, keeping track of your engine is easier than ever, with the addition of engine miles across the board. You spoke, we listened. Moving on to our Force Regen feature. It has been fine-tuned for an even better performance. We've added an improvement to the Force Regen timer to make sure that you can confirm that a regen is started. Plus, for Detroit Diesel, we've added a Precondition Check to make sure you're given all the proper steps needed for a regen. And now, you're up to speed with OTR Diagnostics. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure you reach out to us at support@otrperformance.com. See you on the next updates.